In this video, I want to add a button to delete any of the books that user have added. And I do not want to create a new Razor page. I just want to put that functionality on the index page itself. So how do we do that? We'll go back to our code and right here, let's stop the application. In the index, if we scroll down, let me add a couple of more th tags. And then inside the for each loop, we'll be adding button here. So I'll add a td here and I'll add a button. And now I will add a handler here. So I'll say ASP page handler and I'll say delete here. Now you might be wondering that inside index, we only have the onGet handler and we don't have anything else. Well, do not worry about that. Now since we added the handler here, let's enclose this all together in a form. So we'll add a form here and we'll do method is equal to post. And let me close this form right outside of this else block. Okay, so we have the button here, we have added the handler, and right here, when we are deleting anything, we need to pass the ID of the book that we want to delete. So we will use ASP route and then we'll call it ID. And what ID we want to pass? It is item.id. Now instead of ID, you can call this whatever you want, but whatever variable you call it here, you need to make sure that on the handler, you should use exact same name. We will leave this at ID and we'll add some bootstrap classes btn, btn danger, and btn small. And I'm gonna call this delete button. So let's save this and let's work on the handler here. So right here, we need to add the onPost delete handler. So what we can do is we'll say public async, we'll use a task of iActionResult and we'll say on, and this is a post. So we'll say post and then the handler name, which is delete. And here, what parameter are we passing? It is ID. So let's go back and here we'll receive an ID. Now what we need to do is we need to find this book. So we'll say variable book is equal to _db.books.findAsync and we'll pass the ID here. We'll have to make this await. There we go. Once we find that book, what we'll do is _db.books.remove and we'll remove this book from the tables. And we'll do await _db.save changes asynchronously. Now after we save the changes, we can use the message here and we can display book deleted successfully. And finally, we will return redirect to page and we want to redirect to the index page. So this looks good. Let's save this and let's run our application. Okay, so right here, let me go to the book list and let's try to delete the first book. Great, the book has been removed and you see the alert here that the book has been deleted successfully. So with this, we completed the delete functionality. Now in the next video, let's work on editing an existing book.